Hey guys, how's it going? Eliza here. You already know, bring you motivation and actionable content to help you start making money online today. So let's get into it. In my last video, I spoke about how you can start your own t-shirt brand with $0. So I actually wanted to take a few steps back because I have been getting some questions and I am going to be doing a few videos to explain a little bit more whatever questions you guys have about starting your own t-shirt line like this one. And I'm going to go ahead and get started with one of the questions that I got here. But before I even answer that question, let me first explain what is print on demand. So maybe you may have heard of it, maybe you're thinking about it, or you're just not sure. Regardless of whatever it is, let me explain it to you. In the last video, I did briefly touch on it, but I realized that maybe I needed to go a little bit more in depth. So let's get to it. So print on demand is basically when you are basically having a third party fulfillment center who's going to be taking care of your ordering your shirts for you and shipping them out to your customer. So like I mentioned in the last video, your responsibility is just to market your shirt. It can be hosted in many different websites, and then there are many different applications such as Teespring or Printful that fulfills the order and ships it out to you, okay? So again, if we're sticking to the Teespring example, right, which is what I spoke about, if you want to get started using $0 on Teespring, what you do on there is simply you go on the website, teespring.com, you have your design ready, right, like this one right here, Billionaire Coming Soon, and what you do is you find whatever shirt it is that you like or whatever shirt you want to test out. You're going to upload your design onto there, and then they're going to prepare a page for you that you can go and promote. You promote that however you feel like it. You can either do a photo shoot, you can either do videos like this. That's completely up to you. When somebody makes a purchase, you don't have inventory in your house. What's going to happen is the company, right, whatever company you're using, I'm using the Teespring example, is they are going to ship out the shirts for you. Bada bing, bada boom, Beijing, right? So simple. Now, I realized that I missed out some very important details, especially when I got some questions. So I'm like, you know what? Let me take this great opportunity, upload some videos, and help some people out there. So I'm going to go ahead and answer Rachel's question. I hope you're watching this video, girl. Hey. And this is what she asked. So Rachel asked, so the dropshipping company takes the payment from you, but the customer, who are they paying for the shirt? So that's the first question, right? So when the customer makes the payment, where is that money going? That's her first question. We're going to answer that. Then number two, because they kind of go together. If they are paying the dropship company, when do you get paid in relationship to when the customer purchases? What a freaking amazing question, right? So the first question is, who does the customer pay? And second of all, what do you get paid, right? When do I get my money? If they purchase, do I get the money right away? No. That's not the way it works. And I realized that maybe I should explain that. But I'm so happy, you know, she asked the question. And a person like me, I honestly, I saw print on demand and I was just like, take my money, let's go. Let me go try to make money. I was not thinking about wonderful questions like this. It's important to know. Wait a minute, what? So let me back up. So here's what's happening. Whenever you sign up with a print on demand company, whatever company that is, they're going to ask you for a credit card, a debit card, a plastic with numbers on it that has money in it. Okay? So they are going to ask you for that. So I don't think I mentioned that in the last video. And Rachel, I don't even know what I told you there, girl. But, wait, some people want to be talking. Please leave. Sorry. Okay, so I'm not sure if I gave you that response, Rachel. But that's what happens when you sign up on Teespring, when you sign up on Printful, when you sign up on any print-on-demand merchant, they're going to ask you for a card, right? Because this is what happens. When somebody makes a purchase, the company, the fulfillment company, is going to take the money out of that credit card, which is why some people tell you to get a credit card just for that, or use a credit card, right, that actually has money on it, or make sure if you are connecting your bank account, your debit card, that you have money in it. Because I was actually just in a situation, not because I didn't have money, But because since they have a card number, let me explain what happened. 4th of July, I lost my wallet. Wah! I had all my debit cards in there. I don't know why I went to the beach with all my cards in there. And so I was also having a sale that weekend. How lovely. So people were trying to purchase, and Shopify, I use Shopify, was like, no, the order wasn't getting purchased. So they gave their money, but I couldn't fulfill their orders because my card on Printful was not working, right? Because I have a card attached to it. I lost that card and I canceled it. So that was just a quick little story. So the point is that when you sign up using any of these merchants, they're going to ask you for a card. That is where the money comes out. Now, when do you get paid? Good question. When you get paid, all depends on whatever bank you have or whatever merchant you're using. Using the Teespring example, Teespring has PayPal or Payoneer. Payoneer, I don't know how you say it. I know that's what I was using when I had Teespring, just because in the past, PayPal did me dirty. We'll do a video on that another time. So I was using Payoneer. I don't know how you say it. So it all depends on the merchant that you use. Shopify as well. If you're using Shopify, Shopify usually pays you within 1 to 2 business days, which is actually fairly quickly. So that is when you get paid. You are not going to get paid instantly. Yes, you'll get paid. So technically, to rewind it, when the customer makes a purchase, you get paid, but the money doesn't go straight into your account. It depends on the merchant that you're using or the web host that you're using. For example, I use Shopify, right? That is when you will get your money into your account. But again, the money, when the customer makes a purchase on the website, it goes to you. The merchant is taking the money out of you. Hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, please make sure you drop them down in the comments. And I'm going to be posting more videos, so be on the lookout for them. I'll see you guys in the next one. And now I want to share something funny really quickly, because if you made it all the way to, we're up to almost 8 minutes. If you made it all the way to the end, you're in for a treat. Well, not really a treat, but anyways. So this is the cool thing about doing videos. You only have to dress halfway up. So guys, here's a funny joke. I'm wearing, without showing too much, my boyfriend's boxers. So I just wanted to share that really quickly. It's the funny life of making videos that you literally get ready from like halfway up. At least I do. Bye.